Hello. I'm going to show you how to pair iOton Savy Splendid Sound Earbuds to a Kindle HD Fire HD8. This is the tablet. I'll start by turning on the earbuds by pressing and holding the buttons on the side, left side first. You'll see the blue light here, and inside it says powered on. Let me try the other side. Right side now. It says powered on, and it's blue again. And if you listen carefully to the earbuds, it'll say, in a second, it'll say connected. Connected. Left channel, right channel, pairing. Okay, now let's start pairing. Going to the settings for wireless. Well, Bluetooth is off right now. We'll turn it on. It's on. It's a pair a Bluetooth device. It'll scan for devices, and we'll see Splendid Sound Savy. Tap on that guy. We're doing pairing. This may take a little bit. Oh, see both sides are blue now, and we've paired up, and it says connected. Now let's go to say YouTube, and we go to YouTube. Well, both lights are blue now, by the way, on the side. And let's see if we can hear something. Yes, I can hear from both earbuds now. And that's how it works. That's how the pairing works.